Hi lovely people, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how groundnut oil is produced in an African village. Kindly watch to the end. This is the groundnuts that we'll be using for the groundnut oil or the peanut oil. So the first thing we need to do is to roast these groundnuts. We'll be roasting the groundnuts in this pan, so we'll transfer some of the groundnuts into the pan and then start roasting. So by the time this groundnut is ready, it should be easy for us to peel off the skin with our hands. So that will show that the groundnut is ready. Then after that, she will transfer it into a sack and leave it till the next day. So the next day, before she goes to grind it, she'll first of all remove the skin of the groundnuts. So to do that, she'll pour the groundnut into a pot and use the pestle to pound it until the skin is off. Then she'll winnow it to separate the skin from the groundnuts before sending it to the grinding mill. So tomorrow morning, I'll show you the groundnut paste and then we'll continue from there. If you want to see a video of them grinding the granules to get the groundnut paste, kindly check the link in the description. I will leave a link in the description for you to see how it's done. So I will show you when the groundnut paste is ready. It's the next day and we want to start making the oil, so we start by boiling some water. So she has placed water on fire already, and here we have our groundnut paste already.
Okay, now the hot water is done. So you boil it like this. Then you fetch. First you add salt. So I've already added my salt. Then you pour the hot water. Then you start mixing it. Okay. So when you add the water, you'll be stirring it
Okay.
like this.
Sorry.
Yeah. It's turning brown. Yeah. So the water is not that enough, so you add another water.
Okay.
I have to check and see whether the salt is okay or not. So I'll
Okay.
do by tasting. So the salt is not that okay. Before you add some, you won't just add and start stirring. You have to
Uh,
add water to it for
okay.
the
So when you add the salt, you add water before you stir.
and the oil is coming.
So according to her, when the oil starts coming, there's no need for you to add water unless it's too thick.
Now the oil has come, but it's not that clean. So you keep stirring until
Okay.
it becomes neat.
Chow oil.
We have money. You come. I'll take my oil. Then you add small water
Add small water.
for it to become clean.
Okay. The water will help it to become clear.
Yes, please.
So it's boiling. See how it's foaming.
Yeah. Then
So try to make sure that this doesn't
fire down
fall.
now. Oil is
Okay.
The thing is hot. Oh.
So here we have our groundnut oil. We allow it to cool and then we transfer it into a bottle. So this is how to make groundnut oil. The oil has cooled down completely, so we are now transferring it into our gallon. So for this gallon, it's 140 Ghana cedis. So in case you want to buy some, it's 140 Ghana cedis. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below and like the video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed for more valuable content.